Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel creativegraphicz.com. And let's see what I brought for you guys today. Today we are going to make this window light effect using Adobe Photoshop. This is very simple, so let's jump into Photoshop and get started. So before starting the tutorial, you can follow my socials. I put all links in the description, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Okay guys, this is the image I use. So we need to open another project to make our window effect. So first I select the rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle in here. Then I add black color to this rectangle, and remove the stroke line. Then hold the Alt key, and take duplicates on this shape like this. Okay guys, then select these all shape layers, and press Ctrl+E. Now you can see all shape layers convert to a single layer. Then get the transform, press right click, and select distort. Then adjust the shape like this. Okay guys, after that go to the filter, select blur, then select Gaussian blur. After that click convert to smart object. Then I set the blur radius to 22, and hit OK. Then select the rectangular marquee tool, and draw the selection around the shape. Then go to the edit, and select define brush preset. You can add a name for your brush pattern here. Okay, after that go to our image window, and your brush pattern will look like this. Then go to the blend mode, and change it to overlay. Then draw a window effect like this. So that's it guys. This is the simple way to make a window light effect using Adobe Photoshop. So if you want to learn more like these Photoshop tutorials, please leave a like this video. Hit the subscribe button with the notification for my new tutorials, and also leave a comment and don't forget to follow my socials. So see you guys in the next vid. Take care and peace.